kami sa market ni Mr. Bili ng gamit. At ang puntas ngayon, yan. Panadura ha. Shuay. I'll give you. And potato is small one. Okay, enough na for this time. Not too much. May papakita ako sa inyo. Nagbubol ay nilalabhan ko yan yung nag-anuhan ko ng labne.
She brings from Turkey and she sells.
Hi guys, punta kami sa bibili ng Christmas light ni Mr. Kasi yung Christmas light namin nasira. Matagal na kasi siya. Almost 9 years. 9 years na yung Christmas light namin. Na ano, tawag nito na tanggal yung isang bulb. Hindi na siya gumana. Okay pa naman nung nilagay ko. Kaya papalitan namin. Bibili kami dito, sabi ni Mr. meron daw. Matagal na yun yung Christmas light namin, almost 9 years. Sasamahan nyo kami, mamili tayo ng Christmas light. Christmas light lang ang bibili namin. This one?
I think it's on Sultan. Wait.
Tin touch, Tia touch.
Hayda.
We try it if
The other one, wait. Look at the corner.
Dito daw kami. But
wait. تصوير زينة الميلاد. اسمه هذا تيا.
Tia touch.
هذا هو.
Mga
بس هو هذاك الستور.
Christmas decoration guys.
Mall.
It's okay. I will see if it's what they have here. Mga decoration. Ito ng pang Christmas. Yan, samahan nyo kami. I did not lock. My wood tree. Ganda, no? What they put this one? It's nice.
هذا like
Spray. Santa Claus. Oh. Ano?
عندي شنو جديد على البطارية؟ لا العادي الباب العادي.
It looks like this. Daming ang ganda. Ano ito? Totoo. Ay, hindi. Plastic. بس بس في غيره decoration.
لا خلاص هي ظهرها روزي.
Dito kami pupunta. Asap Mall dito sa lugar namin.
We wait for her to eat and drink.
White flower. Mga balen ito. Sa taas pala. May scooter, laruan ng mga bata, pang gift. Dito yung Christmas decor. Hirap. Ay, mga balls.
Haydi shoot.
Sorry. Hay dole.
The bombs. Changing an idea now.
I think it's more safe. Or the same. How many pieces this one?
200.
We will put the...
This one.
We will buy this for
Red.
all in all. It's small is good.
Hold it the small, huh? Okay. How many hold it? Okay.
Get the one
Next year,
inside.
Inshallah, we change it.
What the difference in this one? Are the same?
Same. We mix, make 3 colors.
Okay,
Matte,
okay.
brilliant, and shiny.
Okay, let's ito. This one.
Later we come here. We buy sheet 2, 3 for decoration inside. Inside the house on the table. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Look. Even artificial. Very nice. Look.
Hey, come in here, look. This is the one I like. Like the orchids. But they don't have white. May rose silangan. Oh. Magkano kaya ang rose? $2 per piece. What? Tulips, guys. Where are you?
Take video for this one. I will make it. It will cost me less. Maybe they make it $41. Look, it's moving. They put the flowers on
Very nice.
in a corner. It takes the corner. You see the shape? Yeah, so you don't keep the corner. Take video.
I took already. Ito naman is mga ano, like may party, mga costume. Dito yung mga costume. What? May mga bato ito. Ito ang gusto ko pero white dapat. Alam nyo? Parang totoo ba?
Hold it for her age. She will like like these. Hold it. They are fake, but look. Yeah, she will like something like this. Oh, sure.
45. Ay, 458. Ito, malaking tree. Nasa 20,000 pesos.
More.
Ate Santa Claus, 40. Santa
Get the
Claus.
blood, yeah?
Yeah.
I scratch.
Ayan, sure. Yan.
Heather, one.
I have like this. How much they sell? And I bought in $1. I have already read. $1 also.
5
the
pieces.
same.
5 pieces.
5 pieces? It's less yan eh.
هيدي عندها the big one. هيدي مش the flower. No.
Which one is 5 pieces?
Heck.
This one. 5. Yan, all this one. The same, the one I bought in. Ay, sorry. May artificial ano sila, carpet. Ang cute. go. Candle holder. Yan. Yan, nilalagay na namin yung binili naming Christmas light para pagdating ng mga bata makita nila. Dagdagan namin ang balls namin kasi matagal na itong Christmas tree namin. Almost 14 years kasi first Christmas tree ni Kisha yan to. You did not put down, Han. Tapos yung Christmas light namin, tinapon ko na kahapon kasi nasira. Naputol yung ganito niya, guys. O yung mga ano niya dito, connection. Ewan ko kung bakit. Okay pa naman nung inilagay ko siya. Matagal na yun. First Christmas light ng mga bata. Si Cheyenne.
Yeah.
Pati mga balls namin, nabasag na yung iba. Kaya bumili kami ng bago ba. Kasi red and silver ang gusto lang ni Mr. or yellow. Ayaw niya yung iba. Red or silver, yun lang. Ayun tawag ito gold.
Red or gold?
Simple lang ang mugara namin. Yung iba talaga pabunggahan.
Well,
Here, in that part.
we need to make one more round.
Wow, yellow. Dati red, ngayon yellow na. Nice, be careful. Yellow siya, guys, hindi
It's
white.
better
Yeah.
the yellow than the white, you know? You should keep it.
Keep it, I like it.
Oh, yellow is the original.
Yes.
Hello, you can put the balls later.
Let them put after this one.
Yeah.
Naalala ko nung bata ko, guys, wala kaming ganito. Yung alam nyo yung kahoy, yun lang ang dinadecorationan namin. Walang ganito noon sa maliit kami.
وين الحبل تبعها هيدي؟ don't بعدين مركب لها حبل تصير you can put small like this or this.
Okay. Okay na, mamaya may dalawa.
You need to put the light on his head. Immediately it will add lightning the head.
Nice, the yellow.
Yeah,
Why we did not make before
I
yellow?
don't know.
Why we choose red?
Because it was all the people.
Feed mo oy. Ganda ng yellow, guys. Maganda rin ang red. Pero maganda ang impact ng yellow. Yan, simple lang sa amin. Basta importante, merong Christmas tree. When I was young, like them, wala. Ano lang ang dinedecorationan namin. Yung kahoy na dry. Alam nyo, yung mga sanga-sanga. And then, wala pang lights yan noon. At tapos, ang nilalagay namin, mga plastic-plastic. Walang balls. Naalala ko lang. Ganda na.
Very nice if you come here and
Simple, it's good. Ay, Arab. Upload after naming mag-ayos ng Christmas tree at lumabas kami ni Mr. bumili ng mga gamit. So, eto, hiling ni Mr. Johnny. Mag-boil daw ako ng potato dahil mas maano yung tiyan niya. Parang masakit daw. So, usually dito sa Lebanon, ewan ko lang sa ibang Lebanese, kapag hindi okay, nagsusuka sila, masakit ang tiyan, ganyan. Usually na kinakain nila is boiled potato. So, ito ang ihanda ko na lunch namin. Matagal na din kami hindi kumain ng ganito. So, smashed potato lang siya. Nilagyan ko ng salt and lagyan ko ng konting olive oil and then kamon. Yun. And then, magtabuli ako. So, yun lang. And then, eggs, boiled egg. Ito ang pang-lunch namin. Mas gusto niya yung ganitong food. Kaya sabi niya, magluto ka nga ng mashed boiled potato. Sabi niya, kasi medyo hindi okay yung tiyan niya. So, anyway. Yan. Mamaya, pag andito yung mga bata, saka ko lang siya lalagyan ng olive oil and then yung konting kamon. Tapos yung tabuli natin. Yun lang. Very simple, guys. Kuha tayo ng lemon. Yung lemon natin, nandito. And binigyan ko na din yung kaibigan ni mama na si Tonit. Nandito na yung mga bata. And then si Yuki, binigyan ko din. Ito, kuha tayo ng ilang pieces kasi kailangan natin ito sa tabule. Hi, boy. Very hot.
Mommy, get in my bag.
Tumataba si Kian.
I moved
Nagkakalang.
my shirt because I was sweating. Sorry.
Me too.
Sorry.
Bless you. My hand is hold.
Those are lemons.
Mommy,
I have Secret
Bless you, my love.
I have Secret
Who?
Santa. Tia. Again.
Tia, yan.
Yay!
Why you removing your t-shirt,
No,
mama?
I felt hot.
Hala or now?
Hala. And
okay.
I had sports dance. We were practicing. So she was
Okay.
great. Well, I was sweating, but I wanted to remove it.
Ayan.
Okay, there were.
Go check the Christmas tree. It's finished. Yes. Check it.
Oh, yellow lights now.
Yeah, because it's damaged. The red.
Nice.
Nice. Tulad sa mister.
Hi, Daddy. Better than the red one. Because it's gold.
Nice.
Yes.
Yellow.
Hi, Teta.
Yalla, tawi it now. Fix your shoes. Yalla, tawi it now. Ayan. Prepare natin yung food. An olive oil. Tapos konting kamon. Konti lang, guys. Pampaano lang ba? Pampalasa. Konti lang yung nilalagay ko. Ayan. Okay. This is our food today. Boiled potato.
Dance
Yalla, put
sports.
the plate, mama.
I did sports. You want ball? Oh, shoot. I did
The plate, mama.
I did the dance, and it was like graded. And then in the end, she said our notes. I got 17. Yeah. Yeah.
Tabuli.
Yeah, I have 8. Not that 16. But she didn't say what.
May na tabuli.
Tabula?
Yeah. Tabuli. Tabuli.